Welcome to our second video. In the first video, we learned how to find out the solutions to inequality. Now in this second video, we're going to learn how to graph inequality. That also should be a review from 6th grade, but if you don't remember, no worries. Here it is a video for you. So, in your notes, I need you to pause your video and write it all down. And then come back and listen to me talking about it. Okay, good job. Okay, so to graph inequality, what do you need to do? You need to draw a number line. Make sure to include the 0. I really like that part because then we know where the numbers, which numbers are negative, which are positive. You keep it all straight. Then you have to use a closed circle for inequalities, which talk about less or equal or greater than equal, because that will mean something is equal to it. So you show it with a closed circle on a number line, which is a circle which is filled in. Okay, and so for example, I'm going to graph it here. If I have inequality which says x is let's say greater or equal to 1. I'm just going to the beginning how to graph it. I'll just fill in the circle on 1. Okay, because that means it includes that 1. Okay. Now you use open circle if my inequality does not have that equal sign. So if I have less than or greater than, just to show that the number is not a part of a solution. Not a part of a solution. So if I have, for example, x is greater than 1, not equal, just greater than 1. Okay. This time my 1 will be an open circle on that 1, not above, not below, right on 1. Okay, so let's graph some inequalities now. Okay. For example here. Okay, graph the solutions of each inequality on a number line. When we listed solutions before, we just listed few numbers, but really there's infinite numbers, almost, not infinite, but a lot of numbers which are solutions. So it's hard to list them all. So most of the time when we deal with inequalities, we draw a graph to show all those solutions instead of listing them. So here it is. R is less or equal to 2. So first what I need to do, I need to find that 2 on my number line. Okay, so I'm going to have 0, have some numbers here, make sure that that 2 is on my number line. Okay, now I have to decide if I'm going to have an open circle or a closed circle. Okay, so I'm looking right here, that's less or equal. So I'm going to use a closed circle on that 2. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Now I have to decide at 2. Okay, now I have to decide how to show those solutions. I will show those solutions with a line. Okay, now let's look here. My numbers, which I want to show, have to be less or equal to 2. If it's less, that they will lie on the left side. So anything to the left side of 2 will be my solution. So to show it, I usually like to use different color. Hopefully you can use it. I'm using orange here. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to go up a little bit. I'm going to show that all my solutions are to the left. Okay, I'm gonna do those lines just so I can show it. Alright. In your book, they usually draw on the line, not above the line. I like above the line personally, because then I can still see my numbers. So what I want to show, that my solutions are to the left of my number of interest. because they are less. Let's check if that's true. Let's put some numbers too. So I just indicated that, for example, -2 is the solution. So let's see. Is -2 less or equal to 2? Yes. Okay, so I chose the right direction. 0 sometimes is the easiest one to pick if the 0 is not a part of my inequality. So let's see. Is 0 less or equal to 2? Yes, so I showed a right direction. Okay, here's something for you to try. Go ahead and do it on a piece of paper. Okay, pause it and go. All right, let's see. I have to find -5 on my number line. Hopefully you can see it. I want you to see it. Okay. -2, -3, -4, -5. Hopefully you know the numbers on the number line. Okay. Now I want numbers greater than -5. What kind of circle am I going to use? Am I going to use an open or close? Well, I don't have an equal sign, so I'm gonna use open circle. At what number? At -5. So let's use the open circle. You see it? Okay, now I have to show numbers that are greater. Numbers are greater to the right of a given number. So let's pick some number and see. 0, for example. Is 0 greater than -5? Yes. So here it is how I'm going to do it. Going to draw a line to the right, indicating that all the numbers to the right of -5, not including -5, are solutions. Can you imagine listing all those numbers? Oh, it would be ridiculous, because how many numbers are between 0 and -1? Infinite many, lots of them. Okay. All right, one more for you. Good job on that one. Okay, grab the solution to inequality W less than -3. Okay, welcome back. Once again, I'm going to find -3, -2, -3. I'll put some positives just for fun of it. Okay, I'm going to decide on the circle. Less than, so open circle, and I need numbers less than -3, so to the left, and voila, and I'm done, Good job. Okay, one more for you maybe. Let's see. No, I think that's all for graphing. All right, good job, guys. We'll have the third video on writing it, okay? So come back to the third video when you're ready. Thank you.